Learn English through stories. Intermediate English. The Walmart Story. Sam Walton. Walmart began with a simple but powerful idea: offer low prices every day and treat customers well. This idea came from Sam Walton, a small-town businessman who believed families should save money on everyday needs. He did not start with big cities or luxury stores. He focused on ordinary people, practical shopping, and better prices. Listen carefully, read along, and think about how simple ideas can grow. Don't just study English, live it through stories. Sam Walton. Sam Walton was born in 1918 in Oklahoma and grew up during the Great Depression. From a young age, he learned the value of hard work and saving money. These experiences shaped his thinking. He believed success came from discipline, honesty, and understanding what customers truly needed. Early lessons. After graduating from college, Sam Walton worked for J.C. Penney. There, he learned basic retail skills like customer service, pricing, and inventory. He believed stores should serve people respectfully. These lessons later became the foundation of his own business approach. Military service. During World War II, Sam Walton served in the U.S. Army. After the war ended, he was ready to build a future in business. Like many veterans, he wanted stability and opportunity. Retail became the path where he applied both discipline and creativity. First store. In 1945, Sam Walton opened his first Ben Franklin variety store in Newport, Arkansas. It was a franchise store selling everyday items. Walton focused on high sales volume and lower prices. The store performed well and taught him how powerful low pricing could be. Hard lesson. Although the Newport store was successful, Walton lost it in 1950 because his lease was not renewed. The landlord took the store for himself. This experience taught Walton an important lesson: always control your business locations. This mistake strongly influenced his future decisions. Bentonville move. After losing the Newport store, Sam Walton moved his family to Bentonville, Arkansas. There, he bought another Ben Franklin store. This store later became Walton's 5 and 10. Bentonville would eventually become the headquarters of Walmart and the center of its growth. Walton's 5 and 10. Walton's 5 and 10 focused on variety goods at low prices. Sam Walton constantly studied competitors, tracked costs, and improved operations. He believed success depended on small improvements every day. This store became the testing ground for ideas that later shaped Walmart. Rural focus. Unlike many retailers, Sam Walton avoided big cities. He chose small towns that other companies ignored. These communities had fewer choices and welcomed affordable stores. This rural strategy reduced competition and allowed Walmart to grow steadily while serving underserved areas. A smart strategy. Sam Walton believed low prices mattered most for everyday items. He did not avoid competition. Instead, he often opened his lower-cost early Walton stores near proven stores that charged higher prices. Those stores showed that customers already existed. By selling similar products for less, Walton's stores gave shoppers a clear reason to change where they bought everyday goods. Rapid growth. In 1962, Sam Walton opened the first store named Walmart in Rogers, Arkansas. During the rest of the 1960s, he continued opening Walmart stores across Arkansas and nearby states, while some earlier stores continued for a time. The stores followed a consistent model focused on efficiency. Growth was fast, but carefully managed to control costs. Going public. In 1970, Walmart became a public company. Selling stock allowed it to raise money for expansion. This decision helped fund new stores, distribution centers, and technology. By the end of the decade, Walmart had hundreds of locations across the United States. Distribution power. Walmart built its own distribution centers instead of relying on suppliers. This hub-and-spoke system allowed faster deliveries and lower costs. Stores received goods efficiently and consistently. Strong logistics became one of Walmart's greatest competitive advantages. Technology use. Walmart adopted new technology earlier than many competitors. It used barcodes, electronic data systems, and inventory tracking to reduce waste. These tools helped stores know what to reorder and when. Better data meant better decisions and lower prices. Everyday low prices. Instead of frequent sales, Walmart focused on everyday low prices. This strategy built trust with customers. Shoppers knew prices were consistently low without waiting for discounts. This approach simplified operations and strengthened Walmart's reputation for value. Company culture. Sam Walton promoted teamwork, efficiency, and respect for employees, called associates. He believed motivated workers improved customer service. While working conditions later became controversial, Walton's original vision emphasized shared success and long-term commitment. Supercenters. In 1988, Walmart opened its first supercenter. These stores combined groceries and general merchandise in one place. Customers could do all their shopping at once. Supercenters became a major growth engine and changed how Americans shopped. Leadership change. Sam Walton stepped back from daily management in the late 1980s, but remained influential. He passed away in 1992. By then, Walmart was the largest retailer in the United States. His values continued to guide company leadership. Global expansion. In the 1990s, Walmart expanded internationally. It entered Mexico, Canada, and later China and other countries. Global growth brought new challenges, including cultural differences and regulations. Still, Walmart became the world's largest retailer. Community impact. Walmart's growth brought jobs and low prices, but also criticism. Some argued it harmed small local businesses and pressured wages. These debates became part of Walmart's public image. The company continues to face questions about its role in communities. Online shift. In 2000, Walmart launched Walmart.com. As online shopping grew, the company invested heavily in digital services. It later acquired Jet.com to strengthen e-commerce. Walmart aimed to compete with online leaders while using its physical stores as an advantage. Omni-channel model. Walmart combined online shopping with physical stores. Customers could order online and pick up in-store. This omni-channel approach blended convenience and scale. It used existing infrastructure to compete in the digital age. Modern Walmart. Today, Walmart operates thousands of stores worldwide and employs millions of people. It sells groceries, clothing, electronics, and more. Technology, logistics, and scale remain central to its strategy. The core goal remains saving customers money. Lasting philosophy. Walmart's slogan, "Save money, live better," reflects Sam Walton's original vision. Efficiency, discipline, and customer focus built the company. While not without controversy, Walmart's impact on global retail is undeniable. A small star. Walmart's story shows how a small-town store grew into a global company. It began with one man's belief in low prices and hard work. From Bentonville to the world, Walmart changed how people shop. What about you? Sam Walton sought out proven, successful competitors. He did not guess where customers might be. He went where people already shopped and offered lower prices on everyday items. In your own life, where do you see ideas or businesses that already work? Could you improve one small part, price, service, or simplicity? Instead of starting from nothing, what proven idea could you make better? If you like, share your thoughts in the comments. Writing or speaking helps you practice English and think more clearly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more fun English lessons.